that was a tough fight. That was the biggest fight I've ever had against a fish before. Crazy.
Hi, I'm Lynn Roach, and today I'm going to prepare for you a family favorite, tuna burgers, with this beautiful piece of tuna that Rob and the Kettlebottom crew just caught off of New Jersey with Nick and Arnie Colonna. Look at this beautiful, beautiful piece of tuna. I'm going to first start and show you how we get this, which is the ground up tuna meat. We like to clean it. This dark piece here on the tuna should be trimmed off. So I'm going to trim this and put it aside, and then I want to cut it into bite-sized pieces before I put it into the food processor. So I'm going to just press pulse a few times until it gets to be the consistency I want, which is right about now. I'm going to add it to what I've already ground. Now that we've ground our tuna meat, we're going to add some wonderful garlic. I've got 2 cloves of garlic that I'll put in there, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 scallions chopped, and 2 inches of ginger root, and I'd say 2 teaspoons of salt, maybe a little less, and some ground pepper. And then you're gonna wanna get your hands real messy and get right in there and mix these wonderful flavors all together. One thing I find with my experience in making these is that you don't want them to sit for too long, because then it really marinates the burger and kind of overpowers. Ginger, soy, very, very strong flavors, and that will take over the freshness of this delightful fish. Okay, now that I've mixed everything together, I'm gonna form these into patties. And I would say about a ½ inch thick is perfect. You can smell the aroma of the ginger and the soy and scallions and the garlic. It smells really good in here. Now that my patties are formed, we're ready to go put them on the grill. I'm gonna bring along with me some canola oil just to make sure that they don't stick to the grill top. Come on. Okay, so now we have our tuna patties and we're ready to put them on the grill. It's really hot, it's perfect, I can feel it. I'm gonna start by putting some canola oil on the outside, just so they don't stick. Make sure your grill is cleaned and free of any debris from the last time you were out here. Oh, the sizzle tells me it is on. These puppies are gonna be so good. Two minutes aside is perfect for these fresh, sushi grade tuna burgers. Close the grill and keep an eye on your watch. I have a nice clean plate, all ready for my burgers when they're done, and I'm gonna flip them. It's been 2 minutes. Oh, they look so good. And now this is when patience begins. The last 2 minutes before you sink your teeth into the tastiest burger you've ever had. Finally, we're ready to take them off. Oh, they look so, so good. Okay, burgers are done. Time to plate them up. I have this avocado mayo that complements these burgers like you wouldn't believe. It is 3 avocados, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and the mayonnaise is just to bind it and make it stay together, keep the avocado from rolling off. So yummy. I can smell it. Oh, it's gonna be tasty, I can tell. A little bit of red lettuce on top, just for that little extra crunch. And there you go. There's your burger. Trust me when I say, once you've had one, you're gonna be craving it every year during tuna fishing time. Look how beautiful that is. And a special thanks to the Kettlebottom crew and Nick and Arnie Colonna for providing the tuna.